edition of Memoirs of a High Priest. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart, because I started this book with love, and I leave it behind my legacy with love. Thank you.